the generation that started it all, introducing us to the all-new Core i lineup, and one of those first-gen chips, the i3-530. A mid-ranged, budget-oriented chip with a base price of $117 back in Q1 of 2010, that now costs as little as £3. But can an 8-year-old processor still handle some modern and somewhat intensive tasks? Well, that's what we're going to be answering today. So get yourself comfy as we explore the potential of the i3-530.
You got that.
The i3-530 is a dual-core chip with 4 threads based on the 32nm node. With a max TDP of 73 watts, this thing is far from power efficient. But that's the thing. This chip shows how far computers have come in the past 8 years, and how power efficiency has become more available on higher end Intel chips. But enough of all that. It's time to see what power this i3 has under the hood. And for that, we need to jump into the benchmarks. Our system specs consist of an Intel DQ570M motherboard, a GTX 780 to ensure we have no bottlenecking, and 8GB of DDR3 memory. But of course, with these old PC builds, there's always something that doesn't go to plan. Okay, so we've had a change of... yes, thanks Star. We've had a change of plans. The motherboard, the DQ570M, has decided... oh my god, okay, yeah, I know you're there. Move for a second. Yeah, the motherboard decided to die. So, I'll get back to you guys when we got the replacement, which has been ordered, and yeah, boo. She's just gonna inspect it quickly. Yeah, alright, see ya. And 3 days later, it's finally here, and we're ready to see what this i3-530 can do. So, let's finally get into the benchmarks. So, in conclusion, is the i3-530 really worth it in 2018? Now, to put it this way, the Core 2 Duo CPUs on the 775 platform are starting to become very underpowered for use in 2018. And that's where this processor steps in. In some cases on the used market is cheaper, somehow, I don't know. But as long as you pair this processor with a good GPU, you're going to have a good time during games. Of course, with more demanding games, it's going to be slower and not as smooth. But for older titles, 2013 and down, it's perfect for a small little gaming rig. So yes, I would recommend the i3-530 for a budget system, and overall, it's very good price to performance, I'd say. So, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, goodbye.